Today I'm going to show you how to install a Lamin-X headlight cover for a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Here's the box. Comes in a kit. Got your instruction manual here. Comes with a refillable spray bottle to mist your headlight and the lenses. You got your razor blade, you got a decal, you got a squeegee. This side you got your headlight wraps. Okay, this is what comes in the box. Better view of it. This is for the headlight. I went with the yellow for the headlight. Here's your spray bottle, you got a refill. Very detailed instruction sheet. Here's your squeegee, rubber squeegee, flexible. X-Acto knife. And decal. Here's a look at the instructions. These are the main things you don't want to do. You don't want to stretch it or pull the film. You don't want to use alcohol or chemicals. Not too much heat. And you don't want to saturate. When you spray the lens with water, you want to mist. You're going to need a blow dryer in case, and you're going to need a lint-free towel. Okay, you take your lint-free rag. Soak it. And you're going to clean it. And you're going to do this total of 3 times. Okay, so 1. This is just water, no alcohol.
2.
Get all the corners, you don't want no lint, any little pieces of dirt. You don't want nothing left on the lens. Give it a good cleaning here. 2. Here's 3.
Different part of your rag. Clean as possible. Get another part of the rag. Hit it one more time.
No imperfections here. Preparation is key when you do anything with vinyl.
Okay. Okay.
Here's your vinyl here. You got tabs right here. You want to hold by tabs. Hold on to your vinyl by the tabs. Okay, it's gonna look something like this when you get it on. Okay, you got a lot of curves here, bulges and curves around here. Remember, hold it only by the tabs. It's not a bad idea to spray water on your hands in case your hand does touch the vinyl. You don't leave fingerprints behind. This is a very thick vinyl. Protects against rocks, chips, and all sorts of things like that. Take your spray from far away, 1 little spritz. 1 little spritz, okay? And now it's all part of lining it up as best as you can. And when you spray it, see how you got a little movement on the lens? Always by the tab you use. Line it up as best as you can. Comes over the top on these. You can reposition it as many times as you need. This is the curve that's going to be the hard part. I'll show you how to deal with that. Okay, now that you got this pretty much centered, even where you want it, you're gonna take your spray bottle. Now you can soak it. So you're gonna be squeegeeing it on here, and this helps the squeegee slide free. Get your squeegee, flat side, you wanna start first. This pins it down. Work from the center and push out the excess water. Okay? Center outward, center outward. Okay? Make sure you get the corners and work your way up and over. Like I said, this is a thick film, you're not gonna hurt it. You want it to conform to your lights. So you squeegee out all the excess water. Don't rush, take your time.
I opened the hood just so you can get a better view of it.
You might have little tiny pockets of air bubbles, which will work their way out over time. A couple of days, 2 or 3 days.
Okay. There's a bubble right there. Try to work it out from the center. Work it outside. See a bubble? Use your fingers.
If it dries up, spray it again. Keep it wet. As you come to the bend, you're gonna have to put a little heat on it. If you have a wrinkle like that, grab your tab, pull it back off, work it back down. So as much as you can before you put the heat on it. Okay, here we go. Low heat. If you use a blow dry, I got a heat gun. Keep it moving around. You don't want to keep it in any one spot for too long.
Yep. Keep it moving.
Right here you got a little crease, a little heat. Use your squeegee to work out the water. Get it from here to the bottom now. Keep it moving so you don't burn the lens or the film. Tuck it under. These are the most critical spots. Underneath. Try to roll the film underneath the light. Keep working at it until you get it completely flush with your lens. As the bubbles dissipate, it'll be even better. Next step you're gonna wanna do, take your knife that's included in the kit, go over the tabs and cut them out. Very sharp knife, comes right out. There's your tab in here. Okay. Comes right out. We'll do the same thing for the other side. That's what it looks like with the headlights off. There's your parking lights, like with your headlights on. That's what it looks like with your high beams on. Not sure how the camera's gonna pick up the yellow at night. But that's regular beams right there. Those are the high beams right there. Those are the regular beams. Those are the high beams. This is what it looks like driving on a pitch black road. There's your high beams. Low beams. It cuts down a little bit on the brightness of your headlights, being that these lights are no good to begin with. This is what you get. All right, if you have any questions, leave them below. Comments. I welcome everything. Take care, fellas.